Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. Today we are going to draw and color cake, Swiss roll, cupcake, etc. Let's start drawing. First, I draw a sweet roll with a piece of strawberry on top. Then I draw a cupcake, starting to draw a cup like this. Then I draw some cream and chocolate chips. I draw a piece of strawberry and 2 mint leaves to decorate this cupcake. Next, I draw a matcha cake. On top of this matcha cake, I also draw a piece of strawberry and cream to decorate. Next, I draw a blueberry cake, starting with 2 blueberries on the top. This cake has 2 layers. Draw 4 more blueberries like this. I continue to draw a 5th cake. It's a cake covered with strawberry syrup and condensed milk. Finally, I draw an ice cream cone with that piece of ice cream like this. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring together. First, I use pink to paint piece of strawberry. Then I color this part dark yellow. Cream. Then I use white to draw highlights for the sweet roll. Yellow. Cream. And I use green to paint matcha cake like this. the shapes of the heart. Brown, and dark yellow. Green forming leaves. Sky blue. Then I use brown and light brown to paint this cup. I color the strawberries dark blue. Dark green, yellow, light brown, brown, pink, and sky blue. Our drawing is almost done. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!